Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aquarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies first, and these are for your relationship, guys, and these cards are for your career situation. And I'll be picking one card from the oracle guidance. So today we have a special card from the fairy tale oracle guidance. So we will see what it is at last, guys, after this reading. So that will give us clarity. It may clear some doubts we have or some confusion we have in our situation. So let's see what is the card for y'all for your general energies first. Let's start with these cards. We have two of moons, ace of suns in reverse, and the moon in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Aquarius, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your life, in your personal life, relationship. You have some dreams or you have some plans for your future. You are dreaming about those plans with this person you love, or you have few plans for your career situation. You are you feel inspiration, some kind of intuition telling you which way to go and what is the right thing to do. Maybe your dreams or your goals, you feel inspired because of your intuition, and something in your heart is influencing you towards a particular action, guys. You have something unconscious within you, some kind of an unconscious guidance, maybe in your heart of hearts. You know what you need to do. It may be that essence in your heart, guys, or in your mind, deep down in your mind, pulling you or attracting you towards some life path, maybe some choices or some decisions you need to make today in your situation, guys, Aquarius. And I also see that there is some kind of a partnership or collaboration coming. Maybe it may be in your career, maybe you are signing some agreements or some important deals, or again it may be something in your personal life. Maybe you are feeling that great attraction towards this person. You want to be with them, have a deep meaningful connection with them, and you are moving towards a meaningful a committed relationship with this person. And for some of you it may be uh, it may be a very passionate and a very beautiful relationship flowering. Maybe for some of you, you would have faced some troubles, guys, before reaching this state. Maybe you would have faced some arguments or some stress, but you have come to an understanding and you are moving forward. Maybe you want to take the next step. You don't want to wait anymore, guys. Maybe you were having some aspirations, some career aspirations or goals, and you wanted to complete that. Maybe today you just want to step up or step in with a deeper commitment with this person, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship. We picked 3 cards. So we have the Empress in reverse, 7 of Suns in reverse, and the Papist. So with these cards, guys, it may be in your relationship. This may be what you feel or what this person feels towards you. Maybe for some of you, you are too possessive or they are too possessive. They want to control you. Maybe when you are making some important decisions, they are trying to, what to say, um, be too nosy or trying to be too bossy, trying to control your decisions in some ways. So that is quite irritating for you. That may be the reason you, maybe you want to take time before you decide to move forward. But they are doing it with love, guys. They have love, they have true love towards you, and they have a knowledge and they have their experience guiding them, and they feel or you feel that you cannot exist without them. So that may be the reason um, they are indulging too much in your decision, guys. So you both share a great attraction, that deep connection and bonding is there in this love. So that may be the reason. But when you are making few decisions, you don't want them to indulge too much or overwhelm you with their suggestions or knowledge. So whatever it is, you have your own experience and you don't want to listen to them. Maybe that may be the reason for some stress or some doubts you have about your uh, decision. You feel that you are being what to say, ruled over some kind of what to say, um, a slave or someone who is what to say, much lesser than them in knowledge. You may feel that way, but in truth this person has that love towards you. That may be the reason for their actions, guys, and they cannot exist without you. That may be the reason they are indulging too much in you, in your life. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation, guys. We have 5 of spheres, emperor, and pope of stars. So in your career situation, guys, you are what to say, having that knowledge, and you have a vast experience. You know what you need to do today and what is the right choices for you, and you are someone with great power and authority in your situation. Maybe you are in an important job and you are someone who has that authority and you are always right. So things may be going in a positive way in your career situation, guys, because you have a clear knowledge what is the right thing for you and what is the right thing to do, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is your fairy tale special guidance for you all today. We have what came of picking flowers, greed. So this just means that maybe it is not the time to reap, guys. It is the time to sow. So whatever we are facing today in our situation, it may be in our career or it may be in our personal life. Whatever we did, the consequences we will be surely facing in this life, guys. So maybe you feel you are in some kind of a circumstance trapped. You feel that you cannot make the right decision. You don't know what you need to do today. But you need not fear, there is a solution for every problem and you are going to find that right solution. Maybe whatever you did in the past, all that consequence you are facing today, but you need not worry because at the right time the right person will come towards you. Maybe if you are expecting a new person, if you are single and you are expecting a new person, you are going to get that. Or if you are expecting some solution for the problems you are facing in this connection, you are surely going to reach that, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Aquarius, for your oracle guidance, the fairy tale special guidance. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.